Hello, this is L2L Support, and today I'm going to walk you through creating and adding a skill. When logged into L2L, please ensure that you have skills enabled under the Other Module settings within your site properties in order to view the Skills module. Skills refers to individual skills that can be linked to users, roles, or lines that are required to perform specific skill-based tasks, products, or jobs within the organization. Before we jump into how to set up a skill, there are a few things to set up to get you started. Skill categories are used to distinguish skills from one area or line from another. To set up skill categories, go to the Skills module. Skill categories. Add new. You can choose a code that matches the area or line you wish to assign the skill to. For example, if you have an area designated Facilities, you can assign Facilities as the code and the name for your category. Once you have set up your categories, you can add skills and assign them to each category. This makes it easier to filter skills. Skill levels are used to define the competence level of an individual with regard to an identified skill needed to perform their job. These levels are set by the company, including what criteria is needed to advance to the next level of training. For example, Ren starts a new job. On her first day at the worksite, when she checks into her work center in L2L, the system will show her skill level as 0 to signal that she has no training. After her first day on the job, the trainer may decide to move Ren up to the next level of training as she has some knowledge of the skill necessary to perform her job. As Ren's skill increases, the trainer will move her up to the next skill level of the training process until Ren has satisfied the criteria set by the company to be considered fully trained. To start to add skill levels, follow the following steps. Click on Skills module. Click on Skill levels. Click Add New. The next steps are to set the new skill level detail. Add the level number according to your company's requirements. You must have one skill level with the level set to 0 for the system to recognize this and reset the skill level after a revision. For example, Needs Training is the lowest skill level and the level is set to 0. Add the name of the skill level. Add the description of the skill level. Make sure the active box is selected. Please note that unchecking the active box will make this level inactive. Pick a color for this level. Companies typically start out with the color red for the skill level of Needs Training, and then go to a lighter color yellow, and end up at green for the top skill level. Select Save down below to save this new skill level. Once in the Skills tab, users can search for the skill they desire. Alternatively, they may click Add New located on the top right of the title bar to add a new skill to the system. When Add New is selected, you will be directed to the Skill Detail page. Once on the Skill Detail page, give the new skill a unique code or name. Often, there is already an established code naming protocol for skills. If not, this is a good time to apply and set a standard naming convention for ease of finding. Give the skill a description that explains what the skill is and how it will be used. Select a category for the skill. If there are no categories available in the drop-down menu, the administrator will need to establish categories before going any further. Below, there is an option to Apply to all products. Leaving this box checked will apply the skill to all products. Deselecting the Apply to All Products button will reveal a drop-down menu where the user can select the product to be affiliated with this skill. The Reset Days option is designed to set the number of days after which you want a person's skill level to reset to Needs Training if they no longer work on the line or use the skill. When complete, select Save and add initial revision. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we will review revising and adding documents to a skill. If you have any additional questions, feel free to go watch our other tips and tricks videos or reach out to us on our support site.